Thank you for your interest in receiving the COVID-19 vaccination through the Lexington-Fayette County Health Department. This video will walk you through the registration process. You should have received a link to the online registration form. Once you have clicked on the link, this is the first page you will see. You will create your account by entering your cell phone number or email address. You will receive all future communications in regards to the vaccine process by this method. You can only schedule one appointment per account. On this first page, there is a spot to enter your cell phone number or your email address. Once you have entered your cell phone number or email address, please continue reading the information carefully. And then click the Sign In button at the bottom. You will then receive your code by the method in which you chose. This is an example of how the code appears in text message form. This is how it would appear in email form. Enter this code on the second page. Once you have entered the code, click Submit. This is now the page you will see after you've entered the code. On this page, simply enter your first name and your last name. Then click Continue Registration. Now you will see this page. Click on the blue box, Step 1, Register Eligible COVID-19 Shot Recipient. This will bring up the patient screening page. Simply enter in your information here. If you have Medicaid, select Yes, and then enter your Medicaid ID. If you do not, click No. If you have Medicare, click Yes and enter your Medicare ID. If you do not, click No. If you have health insurance, click Yes and enter your insurance information here. If you do not, simply click No. The COVID-19 vaccine is provided free of charge. However, if you have insurance, your insurance company may be billed an administration fee at no cost to you. If you do not wish to answer any of the following questions, please select Do Not Wish to Respond. Otherwise, select the appropriate box. Next, you will need to select your appropriate phase. Select Phase 1A if you are a healthcare worker or you do work in another Phase 1A occupation. For example, social worker, funeral director, shelter staff, or mental health care. Phase 1B, do you qualify for the Phase 1B vaccination group? For example, age 70 years or older, first responder, or K through 12 school staff. Once you have selected the appropriate phase, please read the below information very carefully. Please click the View EUA blue square here and read this following information. Once you have read this information, simply go back to the page you were on before and click that you have read it. Then you will enter your name in this box for your electronic signature. Then answer the following 6 questions. Once you have answered the questions, simply click Add Recipient. This is the next page you will see. Click on Step 2, Schedule the time for your vaccine, which is highlighted in blue. This page will show you available appointment times. Please click on the arrow in the box and select the time that works best for you. Then click the Register Time button in blue, and you are finished. You have successfully registered for your vaccination. You will then receive a confirmation notice that looks like this, either in your text messages or your email messages. The COVID-19 vaccine requires 2 doses. After receiving your initial dose, you will be notified by LFCHD to register for your second dose weeks later. If you have questions about this registration or vaccine process, please email us at covid19vaccine@lfchd.org or call 859-899-2222.